What's up, guys? This is David at Finish Line Factory. Got a Stuart here at Finish Line Factory, and welcome to our new warehouse.
Yeah,
So
it's pretty
we
big.
outgrew our current warehouse. We currently stock about, I don't know, 750 part numbers, give or take.
Closer to 800.
Closer to 800. No, I think it's 737 is the exact number, but we're adding more as we go. And we've kind of reached a point where our current warehouse was kind of small, and we weren't able to keep up with orders. We're constantly running out of stock because we just didn't have anywhere to put additional stock.
Yeah.
So
and
now we've got a nice 1,100 square foot warehouse, and we're good to go.
Yeah, and the whole reason we upgraded, like David said, we're running out of space to put parts for you guys. And, as a sales manager over here especially, I'm handling most of our shops that do business with us. And it hurts when I have guys call and say, hey, do you have this? And I have to tell them, no, I'm out of stock on it right now. And it hurts me because I know you guys are out there building really awesome cars and,
and
off-road trucks and snowmobiles. And we've got hands in pretty much every industry here.
Oh, yeah.
And, it's like I talk to guys all the time, oh yeah, I'm building this really awesome drag car right now, but I'm waiting on parts from you guys. And it's like, it makes me feel bad, and I know it makes Dave and Adrian
I feel like
feel
we're
bad.
offering bad service because we've grown to the point where we can't keep up with our current customer base. So having this warehouse is going to be a huge benefit to us, a huge benefit to our customers, and we're going to be able to stock more product. We're going to be adding new products to our inventory pretty soon because now we actually have the space to put it somewhere.
Yeah.
It's going to be a very exciting time for everyone. So
we can finally keep up with you guys, keep supplying parts for your awesome builds. And, now that we've expanded, we can bring more cash flow in, which means we can now possibly in the future here have the money to travel around, come visit you guys, put your awesome builds on the channel.
YouTube vlogs, more YouTube stuff with the YouTube channel, in addition to building out the business and blowing that up. So, hey guys, you know what? We got to get to moving more. The warehouse, we're going to start breaking down the shelves pretty soon in the old warehouse. So, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for being a subscriber. Thank you guys for being our customers, for ordering from us, our dealers for continuing to order from us and just being awesome. And when I started this company, I didn't think that we'd be in here so quickly, and here we are.
We're only how many years in business now?
We are entering
4 years as of October.
Yeah, we have now entered our 5th year in business, and we've really blown up. So, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you're new to the channel, check out the website finishlinefactory.com. There's gonna be a link in the description, and there's gonna be all kinds of stuff.
What do all the hip YouTubers do? Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, whatever all those guys.
You don't have to do any of that, but although you probably should.
Like us on Instagram at least. We're really active over on Instagram.
Like
we always post funny stuff on Instagram.
I've got like 6K, and I want like 1 million.
We just use Instagram for memes. That's literally all it is. Memes and product promotion.
We use Instagram to share our experience and our passion.
You posted
for
4 memes yesterday.
Memes are passion. What's wrong with memes?
Nothing's wrong with memes. We post a lot of memes.
We got work to do. Let's go. Come on. All right, guys. So we're going to show you guys a quick time lapse of everything that we're doing, and just stay along for the ride. See you. Hey.
Hey guys, what's up? So, we are currently unloading all of our hose inventory so we can set it up in the new warehouse and get it out more efficiently and we can stock more for you guys. Right now, we have a literal truckload of hose.
That's a lot of hose.
That's a lot of hose.
That's a lot of hose.
Got hose.
So I also want to help our friend Travis for helping us out with his Dodge Ram.
You want to help him for helping us out?
I want to help Travis. First of all, you can bribe this man with pizza and beer and he will do anything.
Yeah.
Anything. All right, guys, so it's day 2. So we've got all the bins set up here. We've got the shelves all set up. We added a few extra shelves as well. We just bought 4 new shelves. So we're starting to take all of the inventory, put them up onto the shelves, organizing them. So this is gonna take a little while. Come along, watch. All right, guys, and we're pretty much done at this point. I have to buy a couple more shelves for the rubber hose and the stainless steel braided hose, but yeah, we're pretty much done. So we're gonna buy more shelves as we purchase more product. We're gonna kind of put them in the middle here. maybe some more shelves there or there. But yes, this is our inventory. You know, there's 700 bins here. This is ridiculous.
Did we count the bins?
I haven't counted the bins. I just know that we generally have about 1 bin per part number. So there's 700 bins here. You know, some are large, some are small. And now I think we still have to move some of the overstock inventory. So now we have all this space up here for overstock. And it's going to be great. So that way we can stock more product. We can get that product up onto the overstock bins. And that way, instead of, you know, maybe ordering 300 or 400 or 500, we could order like 2,000 or 3,000 and just shove them up there
Pretty
and forget
soon
about
we'll
them.
have even more overstock once I get.
Yeah, because it's annoying when we
little-
run out of things like dash 1090s and dash 690s.
Yeah.
You know, those are it's like owning a fitting business and running out of dash 1090s. It's like owning a KFC and then running out of chicken. You know, you're running out of your biggest product to sell.
Yeah.
So,
So we're trying to fix that. I'm gonna do some fixing up
Yeah.
in here and build us an area to put even more overstock up, and possibly a place to put Miata parts, spare
yeah.
wheels and tires.
oh yeah, we
and-
can get the race team going, dude.
Yeah.
We're making some pretty good progress here, and the company is growing. We now have a nice large warehouse. We have a space to work on the Miata. We've got some we've done some amazing things. So anyway, I'm gonna close this video out. Thank you guys for watching. We've got some great things coming for you, and I'll catch you next time. See ya.
Peace.
Bye.